Hello and welcome to Edale 2019. So welcome back to the channel everyone. I've been putting it off and putting it off and putting it off, looking for the right time to make an intro, and it's just never going to happen. My face is sunburnt because we had sun on the first day, but we've had horrendous winds, horrendous this year over at Edale. Sorry, the camera's adjusting as usual. So much so that I lit my Wildo stove, which you can see down here, and the wind blew the top onto the flue on the first night and burnt a hole in it. I don't know if you can see that light just there coming through, but that's a burn hole. So we've resorted to the EcoZoom for heating, and we've obviously got the side open. New addition is this panel here. It was brought to me by my good friend Andy. It's the side of an old catering tent, an army catering tent, so it's got the windows built in. So now we have a side with windows in, so it's not as dingy and dungeon-like in here. The old side, which you will have seen in my Easter camp out video, is just up here, and I flashed it to the top, over to the Land Rover, just to give us some sort of shelter. In fact, last night it started raining, and a couple of the Bug Out Vehicles UK lads came in, and we just had a bit of a camp and a few drinks, which you can see the remainder of just there. Under here we had the heating on, and we were all dry, warm, having a laugh and having a good crack. I'm going to roll in the intro now, a bit of music, show you what I've managed to film over the weekend.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, I got your phone and got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life. My life. Well, I got your phone and got your message. I want you to know that you are the love of my life, the love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end. You're the love of my life. You're the love of my life.
From Urban Motorhome. Obviously you follow his channel. If you don't, guys, go and give him a sub, and vice versa. If you follow him and don't follow me, give me a sub, because he's got more than me. Yeah. I didn't even press record yesterday when you drove on. I forgot. I'm still getting used to it.
I love that little because you can actually see that you're in the shot.
Yeah, it's an
and you can go right, yeah, here.
I want to do something for you.
a bit delayed, isn't it?
It is ever so slightly, yeah. It's a little bit delayed on screen. That's one of the things. I'm hoping they're going to fix it with the
Yeah.
which I'm no doubt they will. But it is really, really good to see how it is in the wind today.
Yeah,
there you go. There he is.
Nice little wind mic.
I've got my big camera in the car if I want to block out stuff. I'm mainly testing it today. I did some nighttime stuff, photography last night.
Did you?
So we'll see how that comes out.
Yeah, I want to do some at the mountain. I was saying this to the camera yesterday. I'm going to get the camera out tonight, I think, and try and the big camera.
Right.
I'm going to try and do so. I've got so I can have bulk mode open and leave it open for like half an hour.
Yeah.
An hour.
Well, I did 50 seconds last night and I was painting the Land Rover with a torch.
Right. Yep.
And I'll show you the picture in a second.
Yeah, that looks pretty
cool. Right, we'll stop recording. But yeah, you all know Darren. If it comes this way, I'll catch it. I promise.
That's one of your knives. We'll show you what you can do. You can abuse the hell out of it and it'll still do its job.
Darren, I got a splitting maul in the car. Do you want me to go get it?
Nah, it's alright. I've battered this all day and for the last couple of years it takes it.
Keeps you fit.
Yeah, there is
I'm
that.
knackered just watching him, you know.
Does he tell you when he wants a drink?
No, he ups himself. Eh? He ups himself.
He helps himself. Puts kettle on.
I don't know whether it's because of the wind yesterday, never put a sting up, I need to see you and he's going to put a target thing up. It's just splinters, huh?
Whoa! No chlorine in that, is there?
Hold on.
As you see.
So I'm here with Darren from Urban Motorhome. He's about to leave in the motorhome and he's going to be heading downhill. So I'm going to try and catch it for you all and then I'll come back and do some words because I haven't done many words in this video. And this is another YouTuber you may or may not recognise, otherwise known as my hero. Oh, you know what? I think he's going to make it. He's going to make it, no hassles. Yeah, there was no slip sliding, no drama. That's very disappointing. He's just heading down to the gates to leave the field. See you later, bud. So if you stayed to the end of the video, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Again, thank you to everybody that came over, said hiya, wanted to look at the setup, wanted to know what was going on. Really do appreciate the likes, the shares, the comments. And yeah, just a little bit thank you to all the YouTubers who have included me in their videos too. Something that doesn't get said enough, to be honest. So yeah, thank you for helping me. Maybe one day I'll be in the position to help you too. But yeah, just a quick 360. Edale 2019. Clocking off. We're probably going to be the last to leave the field like we were last year. Here we are, just here. Almost packed down now. Just got the last few things waiting for the Eco Zoom to cool down, to be perfectly honest. Then I can put it in its bag and pop it away. Thanks once again, and we'll see you next time.